Hey class, how are you today? Great, good, thanks, me too. But I just got a phone call from a friend of mine, Jennifer Aniston, and she sounded pretty upset. She says everyone knows Friends, everyone knows about Friends, everyone's watching Friends all over the world, but everyone keeps watching Friends in the translation, in their first languages. She would like all the world to start watching Friends in the original language, in English. And just because your language proficiency has just reached the level where you understand most of spoken English, I decided to create a new homework assignment for every lesson. This assignment is watching one episode of Friends for each class for an open discussion during the class. It's not boring, it's so much fun, it's great. And for your watching experience, you can choose any source you like. Maybe you're already watching something, I just don't know about it. Anyway, I have a pretty great suggestion for you guys. This is an online streaming website called ororo.tv, and now I'm going to show you how to use it. So here is what it looks like, and I like it for many reasons, and one of them is that this website contains just about everything that has ever been done in English. The website only allows you to watch movies and TV shows and sitcoms in English, so there's no temptation to simply give up and start watching something in your mother tongue. English only, right? Any internet user can use this website and watch TV shows or movies during 1 hour a day. But then you have some limited number of TV shows and movies that you see available. If you log in, you see many more of them, and you can watch anything you like during unlimited time. That your time gets unlimited. I always log in and start watching my favorite TV shows and movies in English. Today, we're going to watch the first 5 minutes of the first season of the first episode of the first season together. And we'll discuss 3 questions that I have for you after we've finished watching. I'll tell you more about my 3 questions for you later. First, let me just show you how to use this website so it's clear and understood. Let's choose our TV show of today, Friends. Click on it. You can see the seasons here and the episodes here. Can you see this? I hope you can. I'm clicking on the first season, first episode now. Let me just pause it for a second because I'll continue explaining now. Okay, so this website only allows you watching stuff in English, but in the right bottom corner you see the subtitles, and you can choose different languages for the subtitles. Using English subtitles, of course, and I can enable them or disable them by checking the box here or just by pressing the S key on my keyboard. Disabled, enabled, enabled, disabled. Okay? So I'm going to enable subtitles just for now because there's one thing I need to tell you about the subtitles. This is the only website that I have come across so far which lets you have a real time saver. Because what do I normally do when I watch something and I see the word, I hear the word that I don't understand or see it in the sounds? I pause my episode or movie by pressing the space key, and then I'm going to the dictionary and look it up, right? This website is a real time saver because just as it goes, let's see. I have to choose the English subs, of course. So I'm watching something, and when I hear any word that I don't know and need a translation for, I just hover my mouse over this word. Let's say person, and then my translation simply pops up. When I move my mouse a bit, the episode keeps playing. Isn't that great? It is, of course. Minimize and maximize your screen by double pressing your mouse, your left button, or double tapping here, and go. Another great thing about this website is that it saves your position in your any TV show or episode or movie where you have to run off sometimes. I normally just close my laptop and run anywhere I have to. When I come back, I can even close my browser altogether. When I go back, I just press the episode that I was watching, and it starts showing me my episode exactly where I left off. There's no going back to the beginning. That's great too, right? It is. Also, there's this great thing that I like about it. When I have some questions or I want to comment something under each episode, I have this wonderful chat box that I can use to ask questions and write some comments. That's also awesome. I like to ask some questions about the new episodes for some TV shows that are still being filmed. And this is something I really like to do. And not only that, I can choose anything I want. I can watch anything I want. I can watch for as long as I need, as long as I like. And here come my 3 questions for you for after we've finished watching the first 5 minutes, all right? So my questions are, what do characters talk about? 1, at the coffee house at the beginning of the episode. 2, at Monica's place. And 3, what does Rachel talk about to her father on the phone? Remember? First, what do they talk about at the coffee house? 2, what do they talk about at Monica's? And 3, what does Rachel talk about to her father on the phone? Okay, let's start watching.